What's going on, guys? It's Minecraft Gamer 68 here, back with another video, and today we're going to be looking at this physics question requested by user xxbrian_simpson XX. So the question involves a man named Little Timmy being pulled by a dog 15 meters, and the question wants you to figure out his final velocity. So the first thing you're going to do to solve this question is draw a free body diagram. By not doing that. Alright, so what we want to do is first define which way is positive. So we've got up as positive in the y direction, and left as positive in the x direction. Now, we can see that down there's going to be a force to gravity, which is going to be defined by mg. To the right, we're going to have the force of friction. Up, we're going to have a reaction force. And to the left, we're going to have the 400 Newton force from the dog. Alright, and to find the force due to gravity, we're going to do mg. So his mass, which is 50 kilograms, times gravity, which we're just going to use 10 for. That's going to give us a force of 500 newtons. Alright, so now that we have the force of gravity, because his, or the surface is sort of perpendicular to the force of gravity, we know that reaction force is equal to 500 newtons as well. So now that we have the reaction force, we can figure out the force of friction using the equation of this mu times r. And so when we plug those things in, we get 250. Newtons. Okay, so now that we have all that, we can figure out the sum of all the forces on the diagram. And because there is no movement in the y direction, we can assume that the sum of the forces in the y direction equals 0. Yet the sum of the forces in the x direction is obviously not 0 because he's moving. And so that's going to be 400 minus 250, which is going to give us a net force of 150 newtons. Okay, so now that we have that net force, we can use Newton's second law. The sum of the forces equals mass times acceleration to figure out his acceleration. So, okay, that's not what I meant to do. So yeah, 150 equals his mass, which is 50, times his acceleration. Acceleration comes out to be 3 meters per second squared. Now, we can use Francine to figure out what his final velocity is going to be. So we know v squared equals u squared plus 2as. And because u squared is 0, we can cross that out. So v equals the square root of 2 times his acceleration, which is 3, times his displacement, which is 15. So 2 times 3, that's 6, times 15 is, 90. And the square root of 90 is 9.49. So that is his final velocity. And that is the answer to the question. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to smash that subscribe like button. If you make sure to click that bell to get every notification when videos uploaded. So yeah, that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all later.